What if I told you you don't have to have everything figured out right now? Seriously, you don't need all the answers. You don't need to be where everyone else is. And you definitely don't need to win every race you're not even supposed to be running. Sometimes, happiness isn't about getting more. It's about appreciating what's already here. The people you love, the lessons you've learned, the life you're building one day at a time. Because freedom isn't having a perfect life. It's having a peaceful mind and a mind that says, I'm grateful for where I am and excited for where I'm going. So slow down, smile a little, because life isn't something you have to survive. It's something you're allowed to enjoy. Love.